wish you happy lesson. I wish you good luck.
I wish you success.
I wish you good day. I wish you good study.
I wish you good luck. I wish you have a nice day.
I wish you good health.
I wish you smile.
I wish you good luck.
I wish you go for I wish you happy day. I wish you good health.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Sit down, please. Tourism, but it's not a new theme. It's a revision lesson, you know. Yes? Okay. And the objectives of our lesson, you should speak about good ideas for a holiday and read the general meaning and specific information. Express your own opinions about holidays and learn about words which are often confused. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. Let's begin then our lesson. Okay. At first, there is a video about holiday and traveling. You should watch this video carefully, and at the end of this lesson, you should answer the questions. Okay? Descriptor, you should listen to the text carefully and answer the questions correctly with full sentences. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Okay. And the next is about assessment criteria. I will assess you with money. I have a lot of money, and at the end of our lesson, we count your money, and if you collect more than 40,000 tenge, you would buy a ticket to London. It's a 10 point. If you collect 30,000 tenge and more, you should buy a ticket to Dubai. It's a 9 point. And the next is if you collect for more than 20,000 tenge, it's a 7 point. You should buy a ticket to Antalya. The last one is if you collect more than 10,000 tenge, it's a 6 point, and it's a ticket to Tashkent. Do you understand me? Yes. Okay.
Talking about what tourism is and why it's important. So, what is tourism? Well, tourism is when people travel to different places for leisure, vacation, or to learn about new cultures. It's a way for people to explore the world and experience new things. There are many different types of tourism, such as beach tourism, cultural tourism, adventure tourism, and more. Each type of tourism offers its own unique experiences and activities. Tourism is also a big part of many countries' economies. In fact, tourism is one of the largest industries in the world. It provides jobs for millions of people around the world, and it helps to bring in money to local communities. So, why is tourism important? Well, tourism helps to bring people from different parts of the world together. It helps to build relationships and understanding between different cultures. It also helps to promote peace and understanding between different countries. Tourism can also be a way for people to learn about new cultures and ways of life. It can be a great opportunity for people to learn about different traditions, customs, and lifestyles. Tourism can also be a way for people to relax and enjoy themselves. Whether it's soaking up the sun on a beach or hiking through the mountains, tourism can be a great way to escape the stresses of everyday life and have some fun. However, it's important to remember that tourism can also have a negative impact on the environment and local communities. It's important to be respectful of the places we visit and to try to minimize our impact on the environment. So, in conclusion, tourism is a way for people to explore the world, learn about new cultures, and have fun. It's an important part of many countries' economies and helps to bring people from different parts of the world together. However, it's important to remember to be respectful and mindful of the places we visit. Review the following questions about tourism. 1. What is tourism?
Okay. Each right answer I'll pay for you 2,000 tenge. Do you understand? Okay, the first question. What is tourism? Please, Kusizam.
Tourism is volunteer travel
some different types of tourism.
What are different types of tourism? Please, Kushizm.
There are many types of tourism, such as beach tourism, cultural tourism, adventure tourism, and more.
Yes, you are right. Thank you. Okay. Next question.
3. Why is tourism important?
Why is tourism important? Please, the flip.
Tourism helps to bring people from different parts of the world together.
It's mine. Apai. Who means push come?
Helps to bring people from different also places together.
How does tourism help to bring?
How does tourism help to bring people from different parts of the world together? Please.
If two people work in any field during their work, and people will necessarily interact closely with each other.
Tourism helps to promote peace and understanding between different countries. The back, please.
Tourism can also be a way for people to learn about their cultures and the ways of life.
Yes, new cultures and the new life. Yes, you're right. Thank you. Next question.
And understanding between the different countries. 6. What are some ways that people can learn about new cultures through tourism?
Okay. Please, Ajit.
Tradition, customs, and the lifestyle.
That's all.
Yes.
And then? And then? Please.
Tourism can be a way for people to learn about new customs and ways of life. It can be a great opportunity for people to learn about new cultures, traditions, and customs.
Yes, you're right. Thank you.
7. How can tourism be a way for people to relax and enjoy themselves?
Please, Akmara.
Tourism is to relax, and many people have different its tourism. First, it is many people hiking in the mountain, and they give some information about this tourism.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Money. Okay, the last question is.
8. Can tourism have a negative impact on the environment and local communities?
Please, Arjan.
Yes, it is it is important to be respectful of the places we visit and try to minimize our impact on the environment.
Yes. Task to prepare that you are a tour guide, explain the date, itinerary for your tour group. You should pronounce the sentence clearly and use the sentence rightly. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay?
Can I start?
Yes, of course. I'm here.
I'm already 14. My name is Ashik, and I study in 9th grade.
What I want?
Okay. Konnichiwa, tourists. Welcome to Japan. My name is Olivia, and today I'm your tour guide. The move I just made is a traditional greeting in this country, so you can always go a sign of respect instead of formal handshakes. Please listen to me carefully, because now I'm going to give you some information about Japan. Japan is a country that is often visited by tourists. Not only is it famous for unique and exciting culture, but this diversity of its tourist destination makes many people always want to return to Japan. So I want to tell about your trip plan. This trip plan includes to Union Park, Shibuya, Fuji, and Osaka Castle. Maybe we have a question about the accommodation. Then you will stay in the Okara Hotel, which is located in Osaka. and visited all places which written the tour guide. We're going to go to Osaka. Maybe we have a question, how to get to Osaka? But don't miss. In the first day in Osaka, we visited to Memorial Park, Memorial Expo Park, Pasteur Park, and Osaka Minima area. In the second day, we enjoyed to see cherry blossoms because all you know that many tourists want to travel to Japan because they want to see the cherry blossom in springtime period. So don't worry about it because we can see these spring trees. So in the end, I want to tell about the price. The price is the same for everyone, for adults, for children, and for others. So don't worry about the cost of tour. I wish you to relax in this tour, and I hope to you enjoy this tour guide.
Can they take a photo? Yes. Let's come here and take photos. Come here and take your photos. That's all?
That's all.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, next. You are please. Emily.
My name is Anja. I'm very glad that we came to see our Mexico and we're interested in seeing it. And if you will, we will go near to Chichen Itza monument. Chichen Itza was founded 455 years ago. However, it remains today. It remains for only a tradition place. So also the main symbol of this city, the pyramid of Chichen Itza, has 9 meters. And in the second, we go to the cathedral city, cathedral in Mexico City. The cathedral 1813. You should came to Mexico almost for a trip. You also get acquainted food. The tradition is important to locals, but other countries is a special tradition. If you want to know more about this tradition, I invite you to performance at the Galado Theater right now. So let's go.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
This food for the day of the yes, this traditional, very important Mexican people. They believe that no difference between real world and spirit world. And these days they decorate their home and their streets of the city.
Oh, very interesting traditional.
Yes, we need to prepare this very important day Mexican people.
Oh, I was wondering, it's interesting traditional information for me.
Hello there.
Who are you?
How disrespectful it is to shout to a stranger when he says hello. I'm that soul that came out from other world.
Are you a god? And what means other world?
Today is a special day. Came out from that world of death, and all dead souls can return for a world of living. And I'm here to see my family.
Why are you here? Not with your family?
Dead souls can find their homes and families using food smells. So I felt my favorite snacks.
So you came to eat?
No, but I don't refuse the food.
I understand it.
Is this really what I see? A guitar. I remember there were times when I was a musician, and not just an ordinary musician. I was a great musician, and there was a times when a huge crowd of people who listened to my music and admired them.
So, are you a musician?
Yes.
Can you play one song?
Actually, dead souls can't touch the things, so I need to go to my family. Bye.
Bye. But you can eat.
Thank you. Marina. And then ayam, like that. Like that, and then. Thank you very much. Okay. Different types of traveling, yes? For example, there are trip, travel, journey, and voyage. And what is the difference between them? When we use travel, travel is used to go from one place to another place. Yes? Okay, for example, she's always having money to travel. Yani biz travel балалар қолданады екенбіз, жалпы неге? Саяхатқа. Yani бір орыннан бір екінші орынға. Trip is a process of traveling and coming back again. Yes, for example, they went on a day trip to the seaside. Yani biz балалар trip'ті қолданады екенбіз, қай кезде? Қысқа мерзімге бір city. Yes? Okay, next. Okay, voyage. When we use voyage is a long journey from one place to another place in a ship or a spacecraft. For example, a spacecraft will take you on a voyage through space. Yani biz voyage балалар қолданады екенбіз, қайда? Ұзақ уақытта қайда? Ship. Ship. Немен? Кемемен, spacecraft. Ғарышқа саяхаттаған кезде қолданады екенбіз. Yes? Okay, the last one is journey. The act of traveling from one place to another, especially in a vehicle. Yes, vehicle. Okay, it took us 5 hours to get there. Yani biz journey'ді қолданады екенбіз, yani бір жерден екіншіге барғанда, көбінесе немен барған кезде? Ya, көлікпен барған кезде. For example, it took us 5 hours to get there. Бізді ол жерге жеткенімізше, қанша уақыт кетті жолымызға? 5 сағат уақыт кеткен екен. Yes? And now, open your exercise books, write down today's date, and we should exercise 3. Exercise 3. This quicker, you should choose the correct words and then make up the sentence correctly. Okay? Okay, let's write down. That was an interesting trip or journey? Journey.
Space.
Just a moment. Which one? The ship passes Neptune on an amazing trip or voyage?
Voyage.
Voyage, okay. Through the solar system. Yes, you are right. Okay. Take your money. Okay, next please.
Space travel will be cheaper in the future.
In the future, which one?
Travel.
Yes, you are right. Okay, take your money. Okay, please, not come back on it. Next one.
Did you enjoy your fishing trip?
Yes, okay. Did you enjoy your fishing trip? It's a day trip. Yes, you are right. Okay, please, Asima.
How did you travel when you went to India?
Which one? Travel. Yes, you are right. Thank you very much. Okay, and now, open your book, page number 1, and you should mark their definitions. Okay? At first, very old. How to calculate? What? With the years? Okay. The Mama 16 to 5 Very old. Ancient. Yes, you are right. Okay, next is a century. Which one? Which one? What? Yes, you are right. Okay, the next. Very important. Major. Yes, you are right. Okay, move back next. Friendly and welcoming. Is there? Bus, you are right. Okay, next item, please.
Common is rail.
Rail, yes, you are right. Thank you very much. And now look at the exercise 2. Education. Belem, okay, web life. People. Adventure. Yes, you are right. Special days. And food. Tamam. And now look at the exercise 3. Read the travel brochure and match headings with paragraphs 1 to 10. Okay? And the first one for Madina for you. Second, Miri, third, Norbek, fourth, not Bagdaulier, fifth, Painazar, sixth for you, seventh, Norbek, eighth, Ayam, ninth, Arujan, and then the last one. Давай, Асимай. Okay, I'll give you 3 minutes, okay? You should read the text and find the heading and pronounce the sentence correctly, okay? Begin then.
800 kilometers is the largest аумағы 8 шақырымды құрайтын үлкен ұлы дала аймағы. Ол өте құрғақ және де далалы аймақ болғандықтан осы адамдары мен сіз осы адамдардан және де ұшудан демалғыңыз келсе және де сіз осы кемпингті.
Yes, you are right. Okay, second. Okay, please.
Adventure. We have tried mountaineering, hiking, skiing, and horse riding before. So how about something more unusual?
Like it's nothing ever older, easy tours, and take off the instead of 80 million euro
Rose. Okay. Exam. History. Yes.
Fermented milk, try the horse sausages, Kazakh meat, and Nancy use certainly
And a road to cities.
Okay, thank you. Another please.
I'm going to travel to European countries.
European countries. Okay. Like a voyage. Trip. Journey. Please, Ahmedi. Okay. Please, Kilisa, Ahmadal. Okay. Next. 22? 9 or 19? 19, okay. Next. How much? 12. Okay. You? Uzbekistan. 12, okay. You? 12. And you are?
20,000.
30,000. Okay. You please? 50,000. How much? Wow. 30,000. Okay. It's for you. And you?
12,000.
What is it? 20. Okay. I'll put your marks. No, Ahmedi, for you? 7 points. Sorry. 8. Okay. Miri, 9. Next is Ағылшын. 8. Асимай. 8 points. Azret. 7 points. Kembarlolet. 7 points. And Notvek. 8 points. Notvek. 7 points. Okay. Kusizm. 8 points. Okay. Thank you very much. Skills and the students. How did you feel yourself today?
Today I learned different words about the free travel, and I learned new grammatical about street voyage and how
The vocabulary. Yes.
using it.
Okay. Thank you. Next, please, Madina.
In this lesson, I
learned.
I learned tourism and travel, and in the vocabulary I learned new words
travel, journey, trip, and other.
Okay, the differences between them. Yes, okay, please, Miri.
Today I learned a lot of information about the Mexico, about the culture, maybe about their foods and
And
their
there are questions?
traditions.
Yes, you're right.
I know a lot of information about date of the day and time.
Okay, thank you. Please, Nubir.
In this lesson, I learned a difference between travel and voyage.
Thank you. Badal, please. What's the trouble with you today? I please.
In this lesson, I learned a little more information about other countries' traditions, and I learned the new words.
Okay, thank you. Okay, students, thank you very much. The lesson is over.